So everybody's telling you that you need to build a personal brand and no one's showing you exactly how to do it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. And I promise if you watch this video, you're gonna learn something and it probably will change your life. It'll change the way you use AI. It'll change the way you think about your content. Yeah, man, because this thing turned me into a beast. So let's let it turn you into a beast too. Also, this technique is going to make it efficient. So it's gonna eliminate that burnout feeling for you. So I'm gonna show you my secret sauce. So first, if you go over to this, don't even go to this website. I'm gonna put a link in the bio so you get the hookup on how to use like my back office, and I'll show you like kind of how it works. So when you look at this, it looks kind of complex, to be honest. Like there's a whole bunch of stuff going on here, but it's pretty simple. So using this site, right, like called Poppy, this is basically what I'm doing. So first, I need AI to know who I am. So what I'm doing is I put my content that's from Instagram or YouTube. It literally, I just give it what it needs to know about me and like how I talk, so it knows how I talk. Okay, so that's step one. So then you can go over here and connect it to this little chat. And how you create this chat, this is basically like ChatGPT, is you go over here to the corner and you click, not website, sorry. You click, yeah, AI chat, boop, and it'll create a chat. There we go. And you can come here and you can basically decide which model you want to use. I like using Claude, but you can use like ChatGPT and stuff like that, basically, right? So that's how you create it. So that's step one. First, you want AI to know who you are. Next, you basically want it to know what you're trying to create, if that makes sense. So this is some stuff from another creator that I like. His name is Aurelius, and I just like how he breaks down these AI tools. So I might can put some of his videos in there. And then basically already with that knowledge, I can go ahead and just ask the chat to create content in the style of his YouTube videos, but based off the knowledge that I have or how I talk in my style. And then it'll already create it. So that was quick. But this is how I take it a step further, or like 10 steps further. And I promise if you do something like this, oh my gosh, it'll turn you into an absolute beast. First of all, I did a 100-step game plan. So this is like my business plan and every single thing about my company. So basically what I do is I go to ChatGPT and I talk to ChatGPT and I say like, hey, ask me 100 questions so you know everything about my business. And then it asks me 100 questions about my business and it knows it, right? And then I put that information, I take it from ChatGPT and then I put it in a Google Doc, okay? Then I download that Google Doc into a PDF or a document file, and then I drop it into this platform by basically coming here, clicking document, and dragging and dropping it into this platform. And I do a whole bunch of different things like clarity. This is how I want to find clarity in my company. This is the appointment setter process of my company. So this is just a whole bunch of things that have to go in with my company. And then like literally everything. So for example, you see this thing is name, same, fame, aim, game. So it's basically the name of my company. How is it the same? So how people understand what I do. So I make AI solutions, right? Fame, like what have I accomplished? So that's like basically who I've worked with in the past. I don't want to name drop some of my clients right now, but the aim, where we want to go with this, like where we want to take our client. Then game, which is basically the game plan, like the 5-year plan, right? So I just put all this information in there, and then even my Instagram reels. So now this thing knows everything about me. It knows what kind of videos I'm trying to make. It knows like all my previous videos, and even here I just designed it to create a YouTube titles and basically a writing style of certain YouTube videos that I found that works the absolute best. And then I just connect it here. And then I just talk to it and I can say, generate me a script about a new tool. Boom. So now from here, it's thinking. So it's basically using all the information that I provided to it. And now in a few seconds, it takes longer than ChatGPT also because it's like basically doing a better job, I guess you can say. And then it creates my script right there. So just imagine all the things that you can get done just by using a system like this, because now you don't have to basically you don't have to guess on what ChatGPT knows about your business. You can visually see it. So for me, I basically create all types of game plans and documents and stuff. And this is what I do for my clients also, so they can visually see what's going on with their business. So hopefully that helps you, and make sure just to click the link. It's going to be at the top of the description, and it'll basically help you guys create this for yourself. And let me know if you need any help with this, but it is impactful being able to visualize your content. I used to tell people to use something like Miro all the time, because Miro is basically this thing to where you can just create like a whiteboard online. But the thing about Miro is it's not connected to ChatGPT. But this is basically a way to have like a visual way of seeing your company. So it's like Miro, but with ChatGPT. And it's insane because you can just create things. And the team over there are just creating all types of things that you can use. You can easily pull in your YouTube videos right here, your TikTok videos, your Instagram videos, literally by clicking and just dropping the link. That's it. It's that simple. So hopefully that helped. And if you need any more help, let me know.